guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. Young Arry himself in the driving seat yet again.
Morning all.
Morning all, afternoon all as it now is. If you look behind us, you've got a cardboard box habiting the rear of the Mitzi, in which are the floor panels and also the spring hanger socket, or whatever you want to call it, panel. And we're just going down to Alan's now to hand them over and see if they are a reasonable fit for the tub. So let's get on down there. Might be an arrestable offence. That's the V6. Once more down the dusty alley with a couple of puddles. And a few potholes. Yeah, we've got an off-road car. It definitely feels like we're off-roading. And here we are at Alan's again. It's a very big box with lots of cardboard in it, with the odd ding as well. Got it? Good man. Only on a corner.
That's the important bit.
That's the suspension mount. Yeah. Hold it up against it. See what's what. Love that smell, by the way. Is that about right?
No.
No?
Well, it's the right item, I think,
Yeah.
but it's the wrong shape.
It's not cambered on the.
It's not shaped.
Yeah, not radius. Oh, injured. Okay.
This is what I'm saying about the red panels.
Pattern part, isn't it? Not
Yeah,
heritage part.
Yes, it will do the job,
Yeah.
but it's
It's going to take some fat in, though, isn't it?
well. Let's put it this way: if I go centres,
Yeah.
which is there,
There. Yeah, it's about an inch, half an inch
it
underneath.
doesn't matter.
Right.
It will work.
It'll work. It's better than rolling your own, I suppose. Yeah.
Mind you, I did shove my hand in there.
But probably
What was that song Barry Blue handed to
should
Pete
unfold, I
All
think.
that build-up. We never got
Oh
to
yeah,
it.
it will unfold.
Yeah.
Yeah, I meant to mention it.
I mean, again, I'm expecting it to
There you go. Rainmaker.
pretty much where it touches.
So,
Nothing
Yeah.
more.
You had your
No.
couple of years working at the Modern Signal Organisation, and then you signed up with 18.
How's that?
What was that all about?
Well, this was Don Kirshner's attack.
Right, because it goes over.
So it's over, and he's trimming back then, I guess. Yeah.
But actually, that doesn't.
Philosophy of writing
That's not too bad a fit, no?
Carol King, you know, Gothic King, and Lieber and Stoller, where they all used to write in small cubicles,
If that
and they would
square
clock on at
there.
9
Yeah.
in the morning and clock out at 6 o'clock, and hopefully a song was
That's
written
square there.
too.
Alright, I'm looking at the lines on the.
And this was
Look at
the
these
kind
swage
of
lines
style
being
of writing
level.
that was going on
Yeah.
in the late
don't know how they-
60s.
It again, it fits where it
Don
touches,
Yeah.
Kirshner, who,
but
I think
it's got
found
swages,
that kind
Yeah.
of six-best
which
scenario.
is a
He also was
benefit.
responsible for the monkeys.
That's
wasn't
right, he was, yeah. And he wanted to bring that to the UK, and he teamed up with ATD and Lou Grade and said, well, can you find me some writers that can do
It will
that?
fit.
Yeah.
And,
When
I
that
was
damaged
signed
corner
along
actually doesn't
with,
come into it.
Lindsay
Does it not?
Hall, who
'Cause
was
it's-
a co-writer
Okay.
at the time.
Oh, right,
it's,
okay. Yeah.
We were the first two writers to kind of come into
Folds
this
down.
scenario of
But
writing
if
for
I
this team. And
bring
it
that
kind
up
of
where
works,
it's
that's
meant
the
to
funny
be,
thing,
Yeah.
she wrote two big
be
hits
up
out
there,
And the angle's wrong there, isn't it?
for her,
then
and Darcy
Yeah.
on Saturday night for me.
there's a big bit of
And,
panel missing.
They went out to various
Unless it comes
acts,
back a bit, does it?
various acts
Or
that
not?
we actually
Oh, even if it
approached.
came back a
Peter
bit.
Neal's one.
Came back
And
and
a
still
couple of
stayed
other acts.
square.
Yeah.
So,
I mean, that
Don
lines
Kirshner and
up
a few other people
everywhere.
said, well, why don't you guys do them yourself?
Except
So
for
we put out records ourselves, and they were
Except
both
just down a little bit there.
It's almost like they've got it cut totally arse about face, both ends. I mean, this end
Yeah.
you did okay with Dancing on the
Going the wrong way as well.
No, I didn't do that.
Yeah.
I'm not entirely sure that those swage lines are running parallel either.
No.
Because to me, it looks like that is parallel.
Yeah. Then your top is.
That's what I would say.
That's where I'd say.
How are the bottom ones? Are they parallel down the bottom?
Yeah.
Or are they
That would be
swing
the
in?
swage lines parallel.
Yeah.
But then,
You got a gap at the top?
I'm not entirely sure what's going on there.
No.
Mind you, the other big thing, that's a shaped panel
Yeah.
and shaped again.
Yeah. And this one
This
isn't.
ain't.
It's just a straight
No,
line.
this is a repair panel. This
Yeah.
isn't, it's not like the heritage stuff.
No. No. Which is a.
I mean, it will do
Yeah.
because it's got these bits. It's got all the swages.
Yeah. Which is the work, isn't it?
Even the swages are a different spacing.
Yeah.
It blows.
Yeah.
Like I say, with the modern cars, they're using 20 gauge.
Which is really thin, isn't it? It's like Coke
yeah,
can.
You're not far off
Thickness.
just using silver foil.
Yeah. They're all crumple zones these days, aren't they?
Yeah. I mean, they don't even have a chassis anymore.
Alright guys, so a flying visit to Alan The Welders today. Quick drop off of the panels, and you saw the kind of touches where it fits kind of philosophy of pattern part manufacturer these days. Discuss. Yeah, but there you go. He's a talented guy. I'm sure he'll be able to fettle and fit accordingly. So we're all very pleased about that. And yeah, there you go. Apart from looking at a couple of horses up ahead, I think we're going to navigate out back and go home and have some tea. There you go. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you following the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you online on Arry The Stag
Very soon.
very soon. Cheers guys. All
you
the best.
later.
Bye.